Today's kids have no idea how their careers are going to look like. But one thing is for sure, it is going to be impacted with AI. Whether you are interested in maths, science, history, physics, biology, or even social studies, it is going to be impacted with AI, meaning that the way you study has to be included AI into that. So considering that, we are going to have a workshop next Saturday at 11th of April at our institute, Upskill Digital Academy. So if you are someone who is curious about AI and how to shape your career, please do visit our institute.